My name is Stuart O'Connor and I teach A-level computer science at Newman College. What I love about computer science is the programming aspect of computer science. I also love the theory side of it because it gives the students a really good base knowledge of how computers work. It gives them an idea about how networks work, how the actual hardware components inside a machine works, and it's just really interesting. It's really good fun and very relevant in today's society where we're relying more on technology every day. So every single job that I can think of will involve some form of computer use. There are going to be more and more jobs for programmers as we go in and rely more on technology in the future for everything from water to the gas that comes into our house. It's all run on computers, and they need people to maintain these computers, to adapt these computers when there's problems. And actually, one of the big areas is cybersecurity, and a lot of our students want to go down the route of cybersecurity at university or go and do an apprenticeship. So it's going to be absolutely huge, and it's a real growing industry, and there's a lot of benefits for students to go and do that. Well, there's actually sort of a trio of subjects that I find a lot of computer science students are doing. They're usually doing maths and physics as well. So they go on to university. We have some that go on to Oxford and Cambridge to study computer science. A lot of universities include computer science with maths, for example. So we've had students in the past go off to university and do that at various universities, but also some will go straight into apprenticeships with the cybersecurity teams. There's like Cyber First is one of the sort of initiatives that they can join to learn a bit more about cybersecurity and actually go for jobs in that particular industry. We are a subject that attracts gifted and talented students. We challenge the students through programming. We encourage them to push their programming further. It is an important subject. It's also a very difficult subject, and one of the key messages that we get across to students is you need to work incredibly hard, you need to be independent, you need to be able to think for yourself and think logically, or learn to think logically. And at A level it gets even more complicated, and they've actually got to make some sort of game or something else, or some sort of I don't know, they can make all sorts of things, but the most popular one is a game, and students will usually have to learn a second language other than Python, so it's a lot harder at A level, but the students that we get at computer science are fantastic here, so it is taken very, very seriously here, both at the school and the college as well.